Let's analyze today the various excuses given by us Muslims for not reading the Quran with understanding. The most common excuse is we do not know Arabic as a language. Today, the world population is approximately 6 billion, and about 20 to 25% of the world population are Muslim. About 1.3 to 1.5 billion Muslims are there in the world. And out of the Muslim population, approximately 15% are Arabs. And there are very few non-Arabs who understand Arabic as a language. So amongst the Muslim population, more than 80% of the Muslims, they don't understand Arabic as a language. So the most common excuse that we Muslims have not to read the Quran with understanding is we do not know Arabic as a language.